What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be doing a video going over all of my future plans for my 4Runner here. So you can see that there is quite a bit of stuff done to it already, and we kind of bought it this way. It's more bought than built, pretty much. I put a few personal touches on it here and there over the time I've had it, and I do have a full 10-minute video right above my head here of walking around it and giving a mod list about everything that's done to it. But this is for the future plans I have. Some of them may happen, some of them may not, and of course I'd make videos with them if I do. So let's start up front here and get into the video. So one of the first things that I'm wanting to do, and that I pretty much is certain that I'm going to do, is the fog lights up here. So since I've had this thing with the Shockworks bumper on here, I've had the holes in it just ready for fog lights, but it's never been put in, and it just kind of looks a little strange. I mean, it doesn't really catch the eye too much, but I really do want to fill those in. So I bought a nice set of PIA 510s, like the intense white off Jegs, and they just came in, so I'll make a video going over that when I do install those, so look forward to that. So the next item on the list is going to be my wheels here. As you can see, they were plastic dipped pretty badly. All of them pretty much look like this, if not worse. They're just, it just looks terrible. So I'm going to definitely paint those at some point, give it a nice primer and actual paint and stuff that'll hopefully last a long time, because this is just really getting old having to look at. So back here I do want to get a rear bumper for it, or at least maybe paint this one. This is one of those things that it's it may or may not happen. I'm not really sure, because bumpers cost a lot and I'm 16, and gas and everything on this costs enough, and tires. But a nice rear bumper, Fabworks, or one of those tube bumpers or something would be really nice, because this chrome just does not fit in with the rest of the theme, and it just really doesn't look good. There's not really too much else on the exterior that I really honestly want to do. I mean, I do need to get new Marlin crawler stickers for sure, buy probably a transfer case knob or something, but yeah, those are definitely going to need to be replaced at some point. And then up here, I mean, as you can see, this fender's jacked, and it just honestly would cost a lot to fix everything. And as you can tell, the bumper actually was jerked around when the impact happened, and it pushed it out on this side, so it just kind of offset the entire front end. That would just be a lot of money, a lot of work to get this fender back in place, and I don't think it'd really be worth it. I think it gives it character, and I don't really have to care if something hits it or something like that. My parking light's all screwed up. It's got a bunch of water in there. But like I said, that's about it for the exterior, so let's go ahead and go into the interior. So in here, the first thing I want is a head unit, and I actually have one. It's a Sony something, and I'm definitely going to replace it at some point. Need to get around to it, because this one's bass, or just sound quality in general, is really bad. It doesn't have any bass. I mean, I'm not good with sound, but I know that this one is really bad, really old, so it needs to be replaced. And it's saying right here, what I was talking about with getting new Marlin crawler stickers with the transfer case knob, I want to get one of the Marlin crawlers ones, so that'd be really nice. So on the inside here, there's a couple other small things I could do, like get a new center console lid, and a new little cup holder piece right here. This falls out, it's broken, but I don't know if I really ever will. It just doesn't concern me much, and I'd probably end up breaking again, so yeah. But that's basically going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Once I do those small things, that's pretty much going to be my build here with this thing, and I'll probably be done and not put any more money into it. I mean, without getting into super high dollar stuff like bumpers and wheels and stuff, there's not really much else I want to do, like I said in the video here. But last thing I really do want to do actually is hit the trails and go off-roading more often. But here in the Texas Hill Country, that's kind of hard. I mean, if you guys are from the Texas Hill Country or something and you're watching and you know of a good place that you maybe don't have to pay, let me know, because that would be really nice. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions for videos, please let me know in the comments. Let me know if I can do anything better or what you guys want to see, whatever. And I'll see you next time.